Hello, hello, my friend.
Hello, and welcome aboard. Welcome, my friend.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Part-Time Adventures. My name is Jesse. We're here today for a construction update, and great news. They have finally installed the last part of the Golden Gate Bridge here for San Fransokyo. It's white, it hasn't been painted yet, and it doesn't look like they're finished installing it, but they're finally up at least. So that's really good to see. Can't wait to see what the finished San Fransokyo square over here is going to look like. But yeah, I've been waiting for these to be up for a while. So glad that they finally got that done. And then there's still some scaffolding up around the rest of the area over here, but most of it's down. Not a whole lot that's still left. But we're going to check out the rest of the construction going on around Disneyland Resort today. So please like and subscribe, and let's check out construction around Disneyland. Alright, checking out the construction over at Tianas Palace to see the progress being made. They have like the light awning kind of finished, and all the scrims are down, so we kind of get a view of the final color scheme. And there's some people out there actually actively doing construction right now. Yeah, as we're getting off the train right here, you can kind of get a good view of the progress. And yeah, you can see the final kind of color layout now that all the scrims and everything are done, so that should be about the final product we're going to expect. And then there's people, back there still actively doing construction.
Mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. We're now entering the bayou, soon to be home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Princess Tiana swears there's magic out here, and wherever there's magic, there's bound to be surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. Speaking of surprises, this place we're passing over is chock full of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, and other beloved critters on fun-filled adventures where anything can happen. As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, past Outpost Bars, we're now joining up with the Rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
So I think it's still open, but Mr. Toad's Wild Ride has the scrim up. I know Peter Pan and Mr. Toad and Alice in Wonderland are supposed to go down for construction if they're not already on the way there. But they got the little facade scrim up for Mr. Toad. So very nice. We'll keep an eye on that and see what ends up happening and how it looks after it's finished. Alright, that'll do it from this week's construction update. It was a quick, brief one. Didn't get to see everything that was going on construction-wise, just because we were dedicated a lot of time to Rogers the Musical. But hopefully you enjoyed checking out a couple of things we did get to see. San Fransokyo, Tianas Palace, a little bit of what was going on at Splash Mountain. But thank you guys for watching and hanging out, checking out the construction with us today.